Hello everyone, welcome to another week of MakerLab STEM Edition. This is my friend Mia, and we're going to be doing some chemistry in the kitchen. Did you know that cooking is chemistry? Mia, do you know what chemistry is? Let's find out. Before we start trying some chemistry in the kitchen, we need to gather a few supplies to make some delicious scones. Do you like scones? Do you know what scones are? Ooh, this will be exciting. Before we start doing some chemistry in the kitchen, we need a few supplies. Don't we, Mia? This is what we need today. I have a box of scone mix, which has all the special ingredients that I need, as well as some milk, some extra special spices, egg, butter, mixing bowl, a baking pan, utensils, and measuring cups. So we're going to do some math today. Do you like math?
Yeah.
Yeah! So before we start mixing our ingredients together, we need to find out what sort of things chemistry does in cooking. How does chemistry work in cooking? Are you ready to find out?
Yeah.
Yeah! So Mia, the very first thing we need to do in order to start our baking experiment is to follow the instructions and wash our hands. Okay, our hands are washed. They're nice and clean. I have my instructions right here. Need my glasses so I can see the instructions. Without my glasses, I can't see anything. Oh dear. Okay, let's see. The very first thing we need is to make sure we have our scone mix. Do we have our scone mix? Yes. We also need 3/4 cup of milk. Do we have our milk?
Yep.
We do. We also need 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Do we have that?
Yep.
That's right. And we also need an egg. Do we have our egg?
Yes.
Yes, we do. So what we're going to do is we're going to put all of these ingredients together according to what the instructions say and see what happens. All right, on my package, step 1 says to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. In Canada, do you think we go by Fahrenheit or Celsius?
Celsius.
You are correct. Step 2, it says in a large bowl, using a fork, stir together scone mix, milk, butter, egg, and make a rough dough. Do you think we can do that?
Yep.
Let's get started. We're ready to put our scones in the oven and watch the chemical reaction between all of the ingredients. So we'll have a little bit of chemistry going on in the oven. What do you think will happen when we put our scones in the oven?
They'll puff out.
You're right. What do you think they will do for color? Will they stay white, or do you think they'll change a little bit of color?
I think they'll change a
Yeah.
little bit brown.
Yeah, I think they'll get a little golden brown. Do you think they'll be hard or soft?
Hard.
Okay, let's see what we come out with. The best kind of science experiments are the experiments that you can eat. Yummy! Especially ones that you can put honey on. Don't you agree? Mm-hmm. If you want more information on how you can do some kitchen chemistry at home, click on the book links below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining us today.